Your question for today was, what was the solution to the big problem? So, what was the solution to Toad losing his button? But also, Toad realized at the end of the story that he caused a lot of trouble for Frog, and he seemed to feel kind of bad about that. So, what did he do to help solve that problem? So, on your paper, you're going to write the solution to the big problem, and then what extra thing did Toad do for Frog? Kipsters, I'm going to reread just the last couple of pages in case you need a reminder from the story. Toad ran home and slammed the door. There on the floor, he saw his white, four-holed, big, round, thick button. "Whoa," said Toad. It was here all the time. What a lot of trouble I've made for Frog." Toad took all of the buttons out of his pocket. He took his sewing box down from the shelf. Toad sewed the buttons all over his jacket. The next day, Toad gave his jacket to Frog. Frog thought that it was beautiful. He put it on and jumped for joy. None of the buttons fell off. Toad had sewed them on very well. Kipsters, there's some sentence starters here if you need help to get started on your questions today. Make sure that you have your piece of paper and pencil. If you don't, pause this video, go grab those now, and you're going to tell us what was the solution to the big problem. I started the sentence by saying, the solution to the big problem was. When we restate the question, it helps us make sure that we're thinking of the correct answer. And then we also wrote down here, Toad also, because there was something else that Toad did at the very end of this story. And Kipsters, we'll see you for reading tomorrow.